How to register for Char Dham Yatra in 2025. A complete guide. The Char Dham Yatra, an essential pilgrimage for devotees of Hinduism, is one of the most spiritual journeys in India. The four sacred temples of Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath, nestled in the Uttarakhand Himalayas, attract thousands of pilgrims each year. Planning for the Char Dham Yatra requires meticulous preparation, especially with the registration process. As 2025 approaches, it's crucial to understand the step-by-step procedure for how to register for Char Dham Yatra, along with the necessary documentation and other key details to ensure a smooth experience. In this guide, we will walk you through the Char Dham Yatra registration process, the documents required for registration, and provide important tips for planning your trip. For those looking to book a Char Dham package 2025, we'll also touch on how to register online and what to expect. How to register for Char Dham Yatra. Before starting the journey to the Char Dham, it's essential to complete the Char Dham registration process. The Char Dham Yatra registration is an important step that helps in managing the large number of pilgrims visiting the temples each year. Registration ensures that pilgrims receive proper guidance, security, and services during the pilgrimage. Registration process overview. The process for registering for Char Dham Yatra is relatively straightforward and can be done online through the official portals. Online registration has been introduced to streamline the process and reduce the burden on physical counters. Here are the general steps involved in registering for the Char Dham Yatra package 2025. Visit the official Char Dham Yatra registration website. The Uttarakhand government has set up a dedicated portal for the Char Dham Yatra registration online. Make sure to visit the official site to avoid third-party interference or scams. Fill out the registration form. The registration form will ask for basic details such as your name, age, contact information, and the yatra dates. You will also need to select your starting point and any additional services you may require, such as helicopter services or Char Dham Yatra by road. Payment for registration. There is a nominal fee for registration, which can be paid online via secure payment methods. This fee covers your entry passes to the temples and other facilities. Submit your application. Once you have filled out the form and made the payment, you can submit your application online. Please double-check all information to prevent any delays. Confirmation and registration number. Once your registration is processed, you will receive a confirmation along with your registration number. This number must be carried with you during your yatra. Print the registration form. Make sure to print your confirmation and registration slip. You may need to show this when you enter each of the Char Dham temples. 4. Those planning a comprehensive journey, booking a Char Dham package 2025 is a great option. These packages offer a combination of transport, accommodation, and other amenities, making the yatra easier to manage. You can register for the yatra along with booking a Char Dham Yatra package 2025 for a more organized and hassle-free experience. Documents required for registration. Before you start the registration process for the Char Dham Yatra in 2025, ensure you have all the necessary documents. This is important to avoid any delays or issues when completing your registration. The documents required for registration typically include Aadhaar card or ID proof, a government-issued ID, preferably an Aadhaar card, is mandatory for registration. Passport size photographs. A couple of recent passport-size photos may be needed for identification purposes. Age proof. For senior citizens, an age proof document like a birth certificate or government-issued ID is required. Some Yatra packages offer discounted rates for senior citizens. Medical fitness certificate. Since the Yatra involves high-altitude trekking, a medical certificate stating that you are fit for the pilgrimage is recommended. Some agencies may require this document. Address proof. A valid proof of address, like a utility bill or voter ID, may be necessary for verification. Travel and accommodation details. If you are booking a Char Dham Package 2025, your travel and accommodation details will also be required. Having these documents required for registration will help you complete your registration process smoothly. Char Dham registration online. The Char Dham registration online system has made the process easier for pilgrims. With the rise of technology, online platforms have become the most efficient way to handle registrations. You can visit the official website for Char Dham Yatra registration online, where you will find detailed instructions on how to complete the process. The Char Dham Yatra online registration is simple and ensures that you receive a confirmation instantly, making your trip more convenient. Here's why you should opt for online Char Dham Yatra registration. Convenience. Register from anywhere without the need to stand in long queues. Real-time availability. You can check for availability in real time and register for specific dates. No paperwork. All your information is stored electronically, eliminating the need for physical paperwork. Important notes. For Char Dham Yatra registration, register in advance. It's advisable to register for Char Dham Yatra well in advance to secure your spot, especially during peak season. Validity of registration. The registration is usually valid for the specific dates selected, so make sure your travel dates align with the registration. Use reliable platforms. While online registration is available through official websites, you can also consult with a trusted agency. Dharmik Paryatan, one of the best travel agencies in Haridwar for Char Dham Yatra, offers assistance with booking and registration to ensure a seamless pilgrimage. Helicopter service registration. If you are planning to opt for a Char Dham Yatra by helicopter, the registration process will include selecting the helicopter service for specific routes like Do Dham Yatra by helicopter Kedarnath Badrinath or Do Dham Yatra by helicopter Yamunotri Gangotri. Best time for Char Dham Yatra. The Char Dham Yatra is accessible only during specific months of the year, as the temples are closed due to heavy snowfall. In the winter, the best time to visit Char Dham Yatra typically spans from May to October, when the weather is favorable for travel. The ideal months are May, June, and September, as the weather is mild and conducive for the strenuous trek to the temples, especially in places like Kedarnath and Yamunotri. The best time for Char Dham Yatra is crucial for both safety and comfort. The summer months are also the peak pilgrimage season, which means the temples are open and essential services like transport and accommodation are readily available. However, during the peak monsoon season, July and August, heavy rainfall can cause landslides and roadblocks, making travel difficult. Therefore, it's always advisable to plan your trip in the early summer or early autumn months to experience the Yatra at its best. Why choose Dharmik Paryatan for Char Dham Yatra in 2025? Choosing the right travel agency is crucial for a smooth and safe Char Dham pilgrimage. Dharmik Paryatan, recognized as the best travel agency in Haridwar, stands out for its excellent customer service, expert guidance, and commitment to making your spiritual journey memorable. With years of experience, they provide well-organized Char Dham packages 2025, which include transport, accommodation, and reliable tour guides who are familiar with the region and the traditions of each temple. Their team assists with every detail, from Char Dham registration online to making arrangements for Char Dham Yatra by helicopter. Their well-crafted Char Dham 2025 package ensures that your journey is comfortable, stress-free, and spiritually enriching. Whether you're opting for a Badrinath Kedarnath tour or a Gangotri Yamunotri tour package, Dharmik Paryatan provides the best value for your trip. Their personalized packages include the best hotels, local transportation, and options for both road and helicopter travel, making them the go-to agency for an unforgettable Char Dham Yatra experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, registering for the Char Dham Yatra is an essential part of the pilgrimage process, and doing so online through the Char Dham Yatra registration online system is the most convenient way to get started. Along with proper documents required for registration, planning ahead ensures that you don't face any hurdles during your sacred journey. The Char Dham Yatra Package 2025 is an excellent choice for those looking to make their trip hassle-free while exploring the divine shrines of Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath. If you're unsure about the best way to plan your trip, it's highly recommended to seek the expertise of Dharmik Paryatan, the best travel agency in Haridwar for Char Dham Yatra. With their extensive knowledge, they can help you register, arrange for travel, and provide expert advice on things to carry for Char Dham Yatra, ensuring your pilgrimage is safe and spiritual. Whether you are booking a Char Dham Yatra by helicopter or going for a Char Dham Yatra by road, Dharmik Paryatan offers tailor-made packages that meet your preferences and requirements. Contact us today to start planning your sacred journey and make your Char Dham Yatra a truly divine experience.